Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I will show you how to create these animated ads in CapCut PC. All the assets that I used in the video are available on my WhatsApp channel. You can download and practice. So I will begin by creating my background. I will just simply go to library and bring in a white background like this. I will simply change the ratio and to this default so I can get the bigger display. Now I will just click this freeze button and delete the other part and extend this to the length I want in my video like this. Now our background is created. Now we will add some assets to it. First I will bring in this logo right here and remove its background, or I will just use custom removal, or I will use this chroma key and paste it right here like this. Now I will bring a scale down and place it right here to the top. Again I will bring this logo right here and increase its duration. Simply go to background removal, then chroma key and select right here. Go back to basics and increase or decrease the scale and place it right here like this. Now once this is created, I will just add my other logos like these logos. So first right here, so I will just go to crop and simply crop this to the part I need, only text part. Decrease its scale and place it to the left side like this. Now I have another logo like this, and again crop and again make it like this. You can use your own logos according to your video or the ad you are creating. So I will just use these as examples right here. And another logo, you can just simply remove background, chroma key and just then go to basic and decrease its scale. I will just drag this down and place it right here. Give it a cool look. Increase scales according to your video and right here. Once these are set, I need to import my other assets like this. I will just simply go to mask section. First I will remove its background and then go to mask section. Add mask and choose his mask right here. Now just select the one and again make its copy and paste it right here. Now about this and invert the mask and now go to basic and decrease their sizes like this. Now first I will place them and then animate them later like this. Again these two and make the scale a bit small like here. Now I will add my shoes. These are the shoes. Bring them by this here, then select auto removal to remove their background. Go back to basic, rotate them like this and place them right here under the trousers like this. Now let's animate this, then we will bring our other assets. Now add a new text layer simply like this and make it big. Go to Windows and dot key at the same time, press them. In the symbol section I will add a circle right here and make it colored green right here, green or dark green like this. Increase its scale and place it right here. Bring it down so it becomes at the back of these. Now I will just right click and create a compound clip. To animate it, simply go to mask section, or I will simply add a basic keyframe at the start make it disappear like this and move a few frames. Simply bring its scale up like this. It will give us this animation. Or this is not looking good, so I will simply go at the start and place it right here. Move this keyframe at this, or I will just simply delete the first keyframe right here and place it right. Now place it on, place it right here and decrease the scale and make sure it's in the frame like this, and again like this, and then simply decrease it so it will animate it like this. Now I will just select keyframe, show all presets and select cubic out. Now do the same with others. First I will animate this one, so it's the same. Add a transform keyframe, move a few frames, and at the start I will just make it small and make sure it stays within the frame like this. Then move a few frames where this is happening like this, and then select this, make it scale big and place it right here. So our animation is looking like this. I will simply increase its duration in circle one and it animates after this. I will just add a cubic out keyframe right here. Then the other one I will simply add transform keyframe, move it a few frames forward and decrease its size, but make sure to place it right here under the shoes. So this will give us this animation. I will just right click, show all keyframes and cubic out right here. You can simply just change the location and fit like this. This is looking cool. Now for the shoes, I will just add transform keyframes, move this keyframe forward as our final frame position and bring these shoes down like this. Add show all presets and then cubic out, so it's looking like this. Now we need to add the same to the other part. Then again I will just copy this compound glimp right here and then paste it outwards at first. This is our first frame, so where our first frame's animation ends, I will simply just place this right here and move it a bit to the other side here. Now let's animate this circle according to our need, like here. Now I will add a transform keyframe right here and move this keyframe forward as our final part, then decrease its scale down. That's what the shoes, sorry. I will just simply make this and bring this forward right here. This is our circle, so I will move it to the other side like this, and I will change the final position here, and the other position I will change it to something video, and I will change its position right here. So you guys smoke it, go to the start, and this will appear like this. So what animations it is of this and this one. Now I will just add this, the depth houses, and to simply remove background of this. Then again go to mask, add a split mask and simply like this. Again copy it and paste it and invert the mask right here. So I will just increase this length right here, and for this two right here. So when the circle appears, we will animate both. So first I will animate the shirt, so just paste it right here like the other one. Add a transform keyframe, move this keyframe forward as our final keyframe and decrease the scale mirror upwards so it's appeared like this. I will make this short and show all presets to pick out. And another one, simply just place it where the animation of the keyframe ends. This is ending right here, so I will just place it right out this here. Where we just bring it down a bit like this. And for this too, I will just simply add a transform keyframe, move a few frames where the animation you want to add the animation, and bring this scale downwards so it will give us this animation. So I will just again show all presets and select cubic out. These are the animation. Now I forgot to change this color. This is the green, so I will change it to something like blue. So I just go into the compound clip and go in the this and make it slightly like this. It's looking good now. So our final animation will look like this. Also we need to add shoes right here, so I will just bring in these shoes. Simply go to remove BG, click auto removal and remove their background, then go back to basic, make them small. So I will just bring these two at the end part like this, and I will bring this upwards to make a space for shoes. Then again right here bring this upward, and so our animation is like this. Now for the shoes, simply we will add a transform keyframe, move it to the end part where the animation ends and place them right back. And for this I will just simply decrease the scale. It's too small, so I will just go on the scale upwards here so the shoes appear. Simply select keyframe, show all presets and select cubic out right here. So this is our animation. You can use these as ads as well. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more basic videos like these in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.